Want to join a fantasy football league on ESPN? Then you're on the right video. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to Safari. In the address bar, search for ESPN Fantasy Football. After that, head over to the very first site. In here, you have to make sure that you're logged in into your ESPN account. Once logged in, click on Sign Up Now. In this page, you can see it says Join a Public League. Click on it. In this page, you have to enter your experience label and choose scoring. Also select the draft type. Once you are done selecting all, click on Join a League. Click on View League on desktop site right now. And there you go, you have successfully joined a league on Fantasy Football League on ESPN. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.